Hello, Christopher Boylan here from the Plantech New House Design and Build team. Today we are back at Royse Road, Phibsborough, and we're here to have a look at some site progress on a major renovation project. This also included a ground floor extension and some attic conversion works. Let's come on inside and have a look at some progress. So just at the front of the front elevation, we can see some of the original brickwork that was to be repointed. New triple glazed windows have gone in, a new hall door and side panels is to be fitted. This project also included a major underpinning engineering works. We had some issues with the chimney breast on the gable and some issues with the original structure. So the whole perimeter, the whole footprint of the building between the party wall and the original house extension required full underpinning. You can see some of the insulations here exposed on the low level. And we come inside and we'll have a look at the other renovation works. So as you come through the front hall here, you can see it has the classic period home layout. We have the front reception room on the left and the original reception room on the right. You can pan in through there, you can see the lads have slabbed out the walls, installed the new windows and window boards. You can see the original high ceilings, and on the left and right you can see the ducting system of the new mechanical layout. Here you have some of the old original firebrest, which has the plasterboard slabbing, fire protection, the pink fire protection board. You can see the exposed timbers here in the ceiling. Some of the original joists were retained, and then our engineers have specified additional nogging sections and timbers to support that. And you can also see some of the waste connections on mechanical systems. A lot of the works that goes in the early stages you do not see until the photos of the original, but when it's slabbed out you don't see any of the steel or the timbers or the electrics and plumbing works that goes into these major renovations. It's a substantial amount of work that goes into it. And you can see the waste coming through here from the upper ensuite. The plumbers have got the falls into their branches, and all of the electrical conduits and systems. Some of the main stacks here and branches are also on the left. Let's go on through down the stairs here to the lower level. So we have some storage here. Downstairs toilet, closet toilet. That's at first fixed stage, ready for sanctuary. As you come through here, you can see the new open plan extension. There was an original extension here. We kept the same footprint, but we've modernised it, got a higher ceiling, and changed the whole layout. It's a huge transformation, and our guests, our clients, are delighted with the finish here. You can see the triple glazed system, Drutex 5 metre. Sliding door system. Again, we have 8-foot sliding panels here, almost commercial sizes, and then we have the 2.4 metre cubo skylights. Again, we have the high ceilings, and we have the exposed steel beams here. We've got a structural support here supporting the upper bathroom return level. We've left this exposed as a nice feature. Again, we have some louvered wall coming in here. Kitchen is ready, it's slabbed out. You can see the bulkhead is in place. Some services are here for sink, appliances. And then we have a bank of units here for the utility closet. It's a manifold system here. It's a good opportunity to see the manifold before it's closed in. That's the underfloor heating system. And again, we have extra storage here for shelving and general storage. And the vast amount of data, cables, electrics, plumbing, and services you can see that goes into these major renovations. They're big overheads for our clients on their budget, but it gives you a good gauge of the value of investment. It's fully future-proofing your home. You can see here you have extra insulation between the party wall, which generally we don't do it, but it's usually only external walls which are insulated. Full air tightness on this home and new BUR energy rating. So let's have a look at the back elevation, and we can have a look at the extension from the outside. So in the back garden here you can see a lot of the groundworks is still in progress, but you can see the flat roof extension here. It's about 7 metres wide. The height is about 3.5 metres, and you can see the fiberglass trim here. On the upper level you can see the original profile has been retained with new external insulation, slate, fascia soffit and new downpipes. On the left hand side you can see the original brick returns to give you an idea of the original finish. On the right hand side of the first floor you can see the new bedroom finishes there, and if you pan around to the right you can see the new skylight in the attic. We'll have a look at that later, which is the home office. This back elevation here will be all rendered off-white, and the back garden here will be landscaped, lawn, some raised bedding. And again, you have some services. We have some drainage here, mains, and soakaway also in place. An eco channel again is protected across the back. Let's have a look around the gable on the side of the building, and we'll show you the finishes that we completed here. So here you have the first coat of the external insulation going on. It's 150mm external insulation, and also on the lower level, which goes below DPC ground level. It's about 7 applications before it's fully rendered and silicone sealed. Again, as you come around here, you can see the original extension footprint. This is also a mock concrete sill, but it's an insulated sill. And you have your full air tightness on the both reveals and heads. You can see a good shot here how the insulation is actually fitted on the external wall. We have not finished this corner just yet, but you can see the solid block. You can see the aluminium pressing channel to hold it at the base, and the junction between the original and new is fully sealed with expansion foam. And then we have a rainwater outlet on this level. Again, this whole perimeter of the gable was underpinned, new concrete, as part of a structural engineer's method statement, completed in sections. It took the team about 4 weeks to fully complete it. And you can see here on the upper level, there's actually a granite band finish here. So we have external insulation all the way up, but the whole wall was restructured. It was cracking and there was movement in it, so the whole chimney breast was removed by condition, and fully structurally repaired and sealed. So we're very happy with how that turned out. You can see the before and after images of the transformation, and if you're interested in structural engineering or those types of details on the underpinning exercise, you can see all of that online also. Around to the front then we can see the small front garden here coming onto Royse Road. We'll finish this back with the metal rail and plinth, and fix all of these cables and old data points, rainwater pipes. But essentially that's the whole perimeter. We can have a look at the upper level. So on the first floor here you can see the renovations are still at slabbing and plastering stage. This is the bathroom. We've got the high ceiling here, triple glazed TruTex windows, first fixed plumbing, and then we have a second toilet here off the landing. So coming up to the return level, you can see that the first fixed stairs to the attic is in place. It's ready for newel posts and handrail spindles. We've got more engineering here, which was to support the attic level. We have new steel beams on the floor level, which are bolted to the party walls. As you pan around to your left there, you can see the new skylight coming in off the landing with the arch below it. Coming in here then to the front master bedroom, you've got your 2 new triple glazed TruTex windows, the slit window at the side. Walls are just being plastered and skimmed. The reveals will be next. But you can see the space here the family have for the master bedroom. It's in a full transformation. We come through here, we have the walk-in wardrobe. We have the first fix for vertical radiator. And then we have the large ensuite. Good size, and then you have your shower wet room. It's 1.8 metres, again fully tanked and sealed, and you can see if you follow the pink plasterboard, you can see the steel frame lines throughout the building. The whole upper level was supported, the roof structure, the chimney breast, and that goes right down to the foundations into the ground as part of the whole method statement for the underpinning. So we're really happy how this finished. It took a long time to get here. The house needed a major renovation. It was in a really poor structural condition. So well done to Villiers and the new house crew for all their hard work on the site here. It was amazing transformation, and a very specific building approach was needed. So we're very happy how it's working out. We're almost there. Another couple of more visits here, we'll see the finished product and almost ready for handover. We'll check the attic before we go today and have a look at progress up there. So at the attic level here you can see the head clearance is great, over 2 metres. The eaves has the storage for plant and water tank, some mechanical. You see the first fixed radiators, the guys are plastering and skimming. You've got more storage here and more services on the left hand side. And of course then we have the feature window, which is an oversized Velux skylight. And if you pan from left to right, you can see the whole Dublin horizon from the Mater Hospital there to Daly Mount on your right and the Dublin Mountains in the background. So that's it for today at Royse Road. Thanks for joining us. We'll have more progress at the next visit and we'll keep you updated on progress here on site. Don't forget to follow us on Plantech Newhouse on all of our social media platforms, and also you can visit our showroom by appointment at Ballycoolan. Thanks and see you soon. Newhouse, yeah.